Uh, yes, okay. I want to speak on this topic. Uh, I think if parents will go to monitor the screen of whether it is laptop or computer or mobile, or just to check the records what he or she was doing, then I think it is not gonna be any effective way. Why? Because see, if any student or especially if any kid have to do any you can say wrong work, then right now he has a lot of ultimates also. Just like I know one of my relative, he is just 10 years old, and I don't know what he used to do. He suffer a lot of internet in his mobile, and I don't know how whenever his mother used to check the history, then automatically it seems like he has cleared it. So right now kids are becoming smart. It is not a proper way that you can monitor what your kids are doing on internet. Yes, because it matters that how do you treat them from their childhood. I mean to say from 1 years old. If they were 1 years old, from that age itself, if you are treating them, if you are constantly saying them when they get a particular knowledge about mobiles, internet, just like when they become 4 years old, then you have to tell them ki beta, see, there are a lot of things on internet. You just have to do your routine work. Just like if you have to study, then you can study with internet. If you want to play any game, then you can just play for very few time. You can play any game also. So I think it would be more effective way ki if we teach them, if we tell to our children with a lot of you can say pyar se, it will work. Not it like that we are just monitoring, and even we are also involved a lot of on internet. Then actually uh, kids used to uh, kids get kids do whatever they learn from their parents. First of all, we have to make an ideal example of ourselves also in front of the kids. Then we should have to tell them ki, no, no, don't like to do that, and with a lot of love and affection. And if we will do a monitor, if we will monitor strictly with whatever they are doing, I don't think that anything will happen, because there are much more kids I know. They are you can say a lot of shaitan. Yes, their mom or their father used to beat them also, but then also they don't understand. Means they just do whatever they want to. So that's why I'm saying it is not a good way yet. Yes, it may work at some extent ki, okay, you are monitoring, but I think it is not any useful way. Useful way is what I, as I told you earlier, you just keep yourself example in front of them. You become ideal, and tell them with a lot of love and affection from their childhood, like 3 to 4 years old itself. Ki, you have to do these things, and on internet or mobile, and these things only. So I think it this particular thing will work.
Okay, thank you, Salis Bhai, for giving such nice speech on this topic. But actually, I am not totally in favor of that. In case of kid, yes, parents should monitor and they can monitor because we have seen many cases where later we came to know my kid was or my daughter was doing such things, and also they are using wrong application on their computer. And also we have found sometimes when you are going to visit or open any website, automatically some illegal website open. Why that illegal website open? Because you have assets, and due to history and due to also cache memory, we find this. Nowadays students are doing many things. And actually, just I want to tell a story. In evening, I was standing on a shop, and there were I think 5 to 6 kids, and their age near about 8 to 10 years. and they were talking in such a rubbish manner, and actually they were talking about a ma'am who generally used to teach them. So just I said, कि you are not so mature, कि you are talking as like this about your teacher, and from where you are learning this. So this is only due to only mobile, because nowadays they are doing online class, and they are doing a lot of activity on mobile, and they are also accessing some illegal site. So this is not good way, because you have heard many times, after any accident, after any cases, parents used to realize that this is really bad, we should monitor the kids. Actually, I am not talking about college going student. Yes, they are enough mature, and they also know what they are doing and what is good for them. But in case of kids who are just studying in class 5, 6, or 3, 4, at least we should monitor. At least we can know what they are exactly doing. They are doing good thing, that is okay. If they are not doing good thing, at least we can inform us, at least we can warn them, okay, this is bad thing and you should be aware of that. But in case of college going student, as you say, yes, now students are so mature, they can delete the history, clear the browsing history, this is okay. But it is our duty to save them from any mishappening or for any wrongdoing. But we can't stop it, but at least we can minimize this. So in case of kid, yes, we can monitor, but in case of mature student or college going student, this is not okay, because this is also matter of their privacy, so we should respect their privacy. So this is from my side. So we have many guys, so let them speak. So Amit bhai and Sonakshi, Asu bhai, Rajiv, Ganesh, please.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello, everyone. Yes, sir. Actually, you are right. Actually, not the things that like a children use on the internet or website. Sometimes the children also use the just like he or she was on you. Just like I take an example of my student. She was studying class 7, and then she use YouTube, and just like she learn to cut the hair. And in afternoon, she closed her room, and actually she cut her hair, and without telling her mother and sister also. When I reached and then asked Pari what to do, then she actually रोने लगी, तो फिर just like मैंने actually I agree on her, and then I tell what you are doing with your hair, and then she telling me ma'am mistake हो गई, तो um, uh, then I correct her hair, and but she looks very what I can say, but she looks very horrible, and her mother is also very angry on her. Then I actually मैंने समझाया
mm,
टाइप
mm,
की such things children करते हैं. So we
mm,
have to monitor the kids. And actually, I see children are watch on YouTube, just like not the that just like they watch anything. One actually one children, one child watch on YouTube something. Then I tell what you watch. Then he say, yeah, I watch a famous YouTuber. I don't know what he say, but then I see actually there is nothing. See, only see on YouTube or what or no, पता नहीं किसी famous YouTuber का वो देख रहा था.
mm.
So I
Uh,
think if parents are watch students watch on YouTube or anything, I think it is a very good thing, because we are a elder person, so we have the responsibility to guide our children, our sister, our brother also, what he see on YouTube or anything. And actually, uh, everyone knows the example of blue game. Because of blue game, many children do commit suicide also, because they try to do them. So that's why government banned the blue game. Many things on like internet, and children watch and then also try to them. So it's a very bad thing. That's why I think it's a good thing. Children, our sister, anyone, parents and sister, and anyone, elder brother or sister, should monitor their children or any sister or brother. So, thank you, sir, from my
See,
side.
See, Sonakshi, you have given three examples, and in all of the three, just like you have told that she was cutting her hair, your student. So it might be also possible that earlier their parents used to do monitoring of her mobile, but still she don't know what to watch and what to not. And that's why I was saying that if they just tell her just by creating an ideology of themselves that see there are a lot of things on YouTube or any kind of internet. You have to watch study related things, games related, and anything you watch. Just first at least suggest with me. If they used to speak like this with a lot of love, then I think people don't do like this kind of stuff. As you also told in second example that your student was watching famous YouTuber channel. Then see, if parents also regularly monitor them, if parents are monitoring them, then also they will not know that of what kind of YouTuber, what is it he or she was watching. Maybe they just ignore ki, okay, he is my son, might be watching a famous YouTuber. But suppose if it was Minati, like a famous YouTuber or anything else who used to speak a lot of abusive words, then they will definitely crack in his minds or her mind. So it is not very good. And in your third example, just like he was involved in blue whale game. So till when penetrate means up to what time parents will monitor. That's why I want to say that if they set up an ideology or examples that see these kind of things are present in YouTube. If you find anything, just you can watch beta, but just consult with us. We will definitely tell you what to watch, what to not, and you know a lot of things. Just discuss with us, we will tell you. And with this encouraging, then I think they will learn better things and they will watch better things.
Okay, so anybody else? Okay, Raju,
Hello?
Ashu, Amit, yes,
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, sir. May I speak?
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, so I think it's a very good thing. And as a parents, we should care about our children, what they are doing. And and it is our responsibility, when you are parents. So the one obligations we have that about our uh, about our children's future. So we always care about what they are doing and what is good or bad for them. So, and as you know, today on using internet, there are so many things like useful things and uh, nonsense things. But every most of the times people are busy using such like of nonsense thing instead what they need in real. uh, and as a kids they do not have any knowledge, so as a parents we should teach them what they are searching, what they are doing. Yeah, it's good but it's not enough because everyone has a smartphone and laptop. So if you stop your children at home, so they can use somewhere also. You can't strict them fully because they can chat and they can use social media, others a smartphone, to friends a smartphone, right? So, and Sales brother also said that it's not enough, we should teach. I think it's a very good point. We should care and we should teach that what's important for you and what's not. So that's my point.
Okay, so Asu
Okay,
bhai and Bala bhai,
Yes, sir.
yes,
can I speak something?
yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so first of all, I would say we can't control the actions of our children fully. Fully, we can't control the actions of our children. So now the question is what we can do. We should monitor or not. So I would say we should monitor. Definitely, uh, we should monitor because they are our children, and it's our responsibility to control, to monitor what they are doing, because it's going to decide their future. Because what the thing they are doing, it's going to decide their future. So we need to control their actions. Okay, but I know we can't control fully, so we can teach them how to use social media. Okay, there are also some YouTube. Mainly, what I see, the children's mainly they use YouTube to watch some videos, games related to games, what they watch, and what the thing I observe nowadays, there are a lots of vulgar ads on YouTube. Okay, so if they are using the smartphone for the study purpose, so they might be come across to the these vulgar ads, because I will see these kind of ads on these like TikTok ads, and some other videos are app applications ad on these learning platform also. So if you are giving phone to your children, so you can also purchase the premium membership to prevent from these ads. Okay, so if you have given the 10,000 rupees smartphone to your child, so you can also purchase the premium membership per month. It will be helpful for their growth. How? Because they are not seeing any vulgar thing, so you can prevent from these all these things. And the last thing I would say, if you if no if you are checking the smartphone, whatever the thing they are using, computer, what is the gadget they are using, so make sure that they are informed about that. If you are checking their smartphone, and they are not aware about it, so it may be lead to the breakdown of the relationship between child and parents. Or what they, if you are checking their smartphone, then next time they will hide to that the things they are watching in their smartphone, because there I know there are lots of application to hide the things in your smartphone. You can store in your, you can install this kind of application and you can hide easily. Okay, so if you are checking the smartphone, whatever the gadgets they use, so try to inform that they are informed about it. So next time they will know, yeah, my parents check my phone, so it may be, it will lead to a good relationship between parents and child. So just try to these all these things. So this is my point of view on this topic, and tell me if I'm wrong. And thank you for giving me time to speak on this topic.
Okay, thank you, Asu bhai. So we have Bala bhai and Amit bhai. So Bala bhai,
Yes,
if you
yes, sir.
want to say
Sorry,
something,
yes, sir. Uh, yes, sir. I want to say both parents are working in outside. They will not manage their kids. What are they doing? And that time we should help with our senior. That time yes, this is still I face the problem in my house. My wife working in PHC. I am also always round up in outside. My elder children, he is doing 11th standard. It is very crucial age because he is a teenage. That is 16, uh, near 16. When we are going outside 9:30, when we are returned to 6:05 or something, but we cannot I cannot understand what they are doing, but still I mm, I believe my son, he will not do any wrong thing, but I saw many controversial case in many stations. Still I am wrote some news about the illegal problem inside the internet. So in my point of view, we should leave our family members. This is very important. We can make money anytime, but we should not lose our child. In city area, many people they are separated with their old age people, like their family members, their parents or grandfathers. They are separated. Someone's they are centered to homage in their parents.
Yeah.
That is not good. So I feel when we got a new baby and in the middle age, we should help with our family members with us. Otherwise we must lose our childs or kids definitely.
Okay, I think there is a problem. So,
Yes,
um,
yes, I got a call, sir. Sorry, I
okay,
call you
okay,
later.
okay,
I
okay,
from.
okay.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, so Amit bhai, are you there?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so this is now your
Am I
turn.
audible?
Yes, yes, you are
Yes.
audible.
Okay, okay, fine, thank you. So actually, see what means what Shailesh bro told, and the Sonakshi and Ashu and even you also, and so it's a correct. But I would like to add some points also. See, let me give you an example. Okay, let me start from my family. Actually, the son is a 3 years old. Okay, and I already mentioned that so many times that we haven't taught him that the counting ABCD and the color coding also. So he itself could learn these things. Okay, but he is only the 3 years old. Okay, and that's why we are not going to monitor him. But we as a human being, we have the certain the different ages or different stages of life. Okay, so see, the once we'll have to monitor from the 12 years to that the 18 years. What I feel that, because what I feel that being a responsible parents, we are not going to repeat, going to make that mistakes what we have done in our life. Okay, as I already mentioned that being a responsible person, right, or being a responsible parent. Okay, what we means, what are the mistakes we have done in the past, our son or our kid should not repeat it. Okay, then that it depends upon us how we are going to control them. Because if it is a child, if it is a kid, okay, then we can control them. But the once uh, they grow, okay, so hormones will also change, the body structure is going to change it, right? So what I feel that, okay, you should become a best friend of your kid. Then only if you become a good friend, instead of becoming a father, you should become a good friend. So that what are the small things he can reveal with you, he can, I mean, some that your kid can share with you. And so that you will have the confidence, that you will be a confident enough that you have gained the confidence of your kid. And you can build the fully trust, you can believe on your kid. And as I already mentioned that once the kids grow, so hormone change and everything, so we should teach them such a subject, which one is the good, which one is the bad. And even what I feel that there should be one particular subject on the particular subject, which one is good, which one is the bad thing. So so their mind will not divert to that bad thing. They will already know, they will already come to know that, okay, this is the bad thing. Okay, so they will not go towards that thing, and they will not do such a mistake. But now the Balabai has given that, suppose both are working and it would be difficult to monitor. Okay, so it would be very difficult monitor our kids. Okay, so in that case, it's not like that. See, if it is a computer, mobile phone, and as the Ashu also said that there are the vulgar ads, and if you click somewhere, then it will take you somewhere also. So yeah, in this case you'll have to restrict it, because you'll have to if you I'm not remembering that, but you can restrict it also. And he also mentioned that you see, you will get, suppose if you don't want the ad, then you will get that, you'll have to will get particular package, and once you the subscribe it, then you will not get the ad. on the YouTube, particularly if it is a kid, then they will mostly use the YouTube and the Facebook, as I feel that. And okay, so see if there are the illegal sites which can be the ban, means which can be a what a stop, or you even in if it's computer you can use that firewall and other things set up settings, so that illegal site will not be open on your computer. Even I don't know these settings are in the phone or not, but you'll have to maintain it. Bec- uh, because see, if we have been monitoring what your kid is going to do it, then it would be easy to understand that. Okay, but some if you are working, both are working, then it would be a difficult. But already mentioned that the becoming the father, right? Okay, because the so many kids, they will not reveal it until you gain the confidence, you gain the trust of someone. Then only the kids will share those things with you. So instead of what I want to say, okay, yeah. See now, and see during this pandemic, right now there is no school, okay, and everyone is operating from the home, either from the computer or the mobile phone, okay. But now they became a habitual, and see we have got the enough time. I guess it has been more than 7 months, and everyone is doing means the work from home. Hardly not even no colleges or no schools has been started yet. Okay, so we got the experience also during this 7 months, during this the corona pandemic. So we should continue this thing, and see we have got the enough time. So if you are starting, if you haven't started to teach them, then you should start it, and try to gain the confidence. And I don't think so. See, once you gain the confidence, and if you differentiate what the bad thing and what is the good thing, so it would be easy for your kid to understand it, and then they, I don't think so they will repeat it. So
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
it
yeah.
from mine.
Yeah, you are right, sir. But I have a
Yeah.
question for you because you are a father,
Yeah.
and as you said, we should be as like a friend with our children.
Yes.
So now my question is that how to make it happen?
See, see. So becoming becoming a good friend of your kid is not about
Hello, sir.
Yes, Amit bhai. Hello.
You are not audible.
I will have to teach. I will have to teach him that. See, this is not the good. This one is the bad. Like that.
But sometime you may be wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think always you are right?
So that's why, na. See, it is up to us, right? See, suppose they see if you are a human being, right? So you human being, I already mentioned that. What? See, what your mind is thinking and what my mind is thinking, it's a totally different, right? The frequency of a two person is not going to match never, right? So we should teach them from like a means how to do a worship, and those things we should teach them. Then they will understand it. They will come into the particular. Let me give an example of that the animal, right? And what is the difference between the animal and the human being, right? Suppose, for example, if it is the animal, for take an example of the cow. So when the cow delivered any calf, okay, so you don't need to teach that calf where is that from where he has to suck that the what milk, how to suck that milk, particular milk. Yeah, because it's inbuilt itself. He will automatically stood on the four legs, and then he will come with that the calf will come to know that from where he has to suck that the milk. But whereas if it is human, na, you will take almost 2 to 3 years to understand what is that. This is the difference. So likewise, you should understand is the nature, and then try to accordingly. Then if you are a good person, so obviously the that energy, that reflection automatically will come into your the
Yeah,
sun also. Suppose every day if you are
yeah.
doing it early in the morning, suppose if you are doing a worship with your something, right? Every day you are
Mm,
doing a puja, in evening you are doing a puja. So same things your children will follow, right? but so these things can be the control it also. So hope you
Okay.
understood it, right? Because these things will see now. See, you are saying that after the 20-25 years you are going to tell that your son, please do a puja. Then what you would say? But instead of the 25 years, you start it from the first year, na? First, second, the first year, right? Likewise, if you try to teach your son, then obviously 25 years you not he may or may not the listen you, right? But at the when the brain is going to develop it, that time he will his brain is like empty. Whatever whatever you feed him, he will catch up like that. So
Yeah, yeah, you are right.
what
Well,
are
I
the
know
best
what
thing
is the
is uh-huh.
yeah, I know we can teach human because
Hmm.
we are the creature, we have brain.
Hmm.
So, but my question was how to make it happen, how to be friendly, because it's not common in India,
Hmm.
as per my view.
No.
Uh,
See, it's totally depends. Now I don't have the videos of my father now, but I would have posted if I had. Now I would have posted it, and you will come to know what was the nature of my father, how he grow up. Means how
But
he taught
Amit
me
Bhai,
the each.
I think Asu is saying right. Every father is
Uh,
not the same,
yes,
because
no, that see.
some father is very friendly with their children, but some father is very strict with their children.
Yes, yes.
So sometimes this is not possible to be friend,
So
especially in village. You can take example in villages,
uh,
and villages. I don't think father is more close to their son, or they are talking as their friendly. In city, this is possible because they are living together. But in villages, suppose just I am taking my example of my
Okay,
family. Actually, my family is a combined family. I have five. No, my father is a five. My father has five brothers. So I don't think this is possible to be friendly with
okay,
father,
sir.
especially
Okay,
in
let me give
villages.
a very sorry for interruption. A very simple question. When you hug your father last time, do you remember when you hug your father last time?
but are you asking to me?
No,
Anybody,
No,
I'm
no, no.
asking to
Everyone,
I'm
everyone.
asking to
Okay, okay.
everyone.
Everyone.
Yeah, everyone. Okay, okay,
okay,
okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Before died,
actually,
When you hug your father last time.
yeah. I still remember that when my father was admitted in the hospital, and he was in ICU. So it was my last hug to my father.
Okay, because
okay, bhai, Amit bhai, this is in your case,
Huh.
but in my case, I don't remember. Even my father
yeah,
heart attack, or even I hug him.
yeah. So that's the
Because
point.
maybe in my
Uh-huh.
childhood, maybe when I used
That's
to
the
be one
point,
year,
sir.
2 year, maybe that time. But
So it's
yes,
it's depends upon the environment also. Yeah, we cannot means we cannot blame it, right? Because our society is made in otherwise there would not be any killing, there would not be any rape. Okay, if we taught our the kids starting from their the grow means that is the my concern. At the starting of the means the childhood we should teach them such a thing that which one is the bad and which one is the good thing. Then I don't think so that we will have the such thing, that bad thing in not in India, the entire world also.
Yeah, yes.
But
Family
even
circumstance is very important, sir.
yes, and even
So children's. Yes, yes. Continue, sir,
yeah,
please.
it depends upon the environment also. Suppose now see now there are the example you are saying that the your father has the four means almost the five members, right? Five brothers. Okay, but it depends upon the environment also, means in which environment you have been growing up. Okay, and how the environment in your family, that is also the concern. Because
Amit bhai, if you are living with your parents
Mhm.
and you living in a separate area, you are living in a nuclear family, so I can accept this is possible because you have no choice, because you have to only your father to talk them.
Now
But in case of combined family, I have many auntie, sisters. So it's also depend, and also very people to people. So we can't say this, because yes, you are very much friendly with your son,
Mhm.
but this is not applicable for everyone. So we are just sharing our experience, how we are feeling. As Asubai just asked a question, you just remember when you have hugged your father. So I don't think I am unable to give answer because I don't remember.
Mhm.
Maybe in my childhood. And if you are going to ask this question to Rajiv and Ashu and Bala Bhai, so I don't think this is very common. But in city, in movie, we see many cases, so we think, but everything is not possible in a practical life. So
Yes,
Yes.
Yeah,
okay, so
but
yes,
one thing,
yes.
but sir, one thing is very common. I would like to add is respect.
mm,
We don't hug our father, but
yes,
we
yes,
respect him a lot. And just because of our father respect his honor, we don't do any mistake
Yeah.
because we don't want to ruin the respect to our father. Just because of that, we try to do nice thing always.
But when we
Yes, yes.
use a smartphone, at that time we don't care anything. We just take care of our interest. So how can I, at that time, we will stop us
I don't
to do
understand
nothing wrong?
because
yes, Raji Singh, this is happening nowadays because we are understanding, we are so much mature, we can answer our parents. So this is really bad thing, and this is going to harm you. You are
Yeah.
not going to get any benefit from this disrespect. And parents is, just similar to God, so we should respect them. But nowadays, I am seeing many example where no, children are not treating their father in such way, means in good way. That is really bad thing, and there are many examples. So I don't think this is very good if you are disrespecting your parents.
Sir, I
I
want to
think
tell
it
one
is.
thing, sir. Sir, I want to tell one thing. Any children, sir, we must follow his or her friends very important. They will directly or indirectly diverted those people. Definitely, I know. If our children's friends, we should follow who is good persons or who is wrong persons. He is not fit for you. We should avoid the other people, where those who are interested to contact with other friends. So friend circle is very very important. Parents
yeah, yeah, yeah.
follow, yeah, yeah. Our children follow what we are doing in our school circumstance or family members. That is very good. When they are entered to the contact with other people, what they are doing, how they are making something,